Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your engine bay with really good results, taking less than 5 minutes and costing less than 10p. Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel, guys. I have done the full kind of considered detail on an engine bay where you might want to spend your time and do it properly. This video is more about how to do it very quickly. Less than 5 minutes, I'm spending about 10p on chemicals, and I'm just trying to keep my engine bay essentially clean rather than detailed. What's all the gear that I'm using, guys? Well, first up, just a thick, reasonably beefy, cheap hog's hair brush with quite stiff bristles on there. You might want to pick some other brushes, but this is a pretty safe bet, guys. I've got some other ones there as like backups, right? You know, where I might be able to cover a bit more ground, but just a hog's hair brush, a microfiber cloth as well, guys, that you don't mind getting trashed with dirt. The IK foamer, which is growing on me. I did a video on it, you know, a bit skeptical about it, saying, yeah, it's nice, but you're pumping it up. And I said in that video that I'm going to use it for the next year, and if I reach for it, then I know it's a good tool. I'm reaching for it. I think this is a really useful thing. Don't necessarily have to get the IK foamer, you know, whichever one you want. But just this foamer, I'm starting to appreciate it, and I'm starting to use it. I think they're good things. So not pump sprayers, they're pump foamers, and this is the IK pump hand foamer, or whatever it's called. Inside this pump foamer, the IK pump foamer, is Surfex HD at about 10:1 ratio. And if you've not been watching the channel, I've been talking about this for so long. It's a powerful water-based degreaser that's just as powerful as most solvent-based degreasers. Because it's water-based, it's also going to soak, and you'll be able to rinse it away and flush out, you know, flush stuff out as well. So water-based is nice, you know, it's all biodegradable as well, but very powerful. And of course it's concentrated. So to mix up a bottle of about, you're going to need about 300 ml of this product perhaps. That's going to cost you about less than 10p chemical cost at 10:1, guys. Cleaning your engine bay shouldn't cost you like 5-6 quid. You know, if you use a rattle can or something like that, you're going to blast your way through the whole bloody lot in 1 or 2 goes. Buy 5 litres of Surfex HD. It will clean better than all the other degreasers on the market, and it will cost you about 1/100th of the cost. So it's a good recommendation. What else, guys? Well, the drying, this Bigboi Blowr, again, did a review on it. It's something that I've bought, and it's something that I am really starting to love, really starting to appreciate, and it is doing exactly what I want. Just a very little small light blower with plenty of power. Really great for engine bays. You can see exactly what I've done in this video, guys. I've got the time-lapse overlaying. I fill the engine up with foam. I work it with a brush. I rinse out with lower pressure. Could use a pressure washer if you want. Just a little bit cautious about that. And I stay well away from the alternator and the battery. You can, of course, cover that alternator and the battery. The thick foam reduces the risk of kind of stuff running on there. And I've cleaned the engine bay with the brush and the microfiber, blown it out in 5 minutes. I haven't dressed it, but you can see the engine bay is clean enough for me. On a scale of 1 to 10, how clean is it? Clean enough. Guys, that is it. There's no need for me to go on in this video. Let me know if you ever do a really rapid process of detailing your engine bay and what you do. This was a very quick one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll put all the equipment here in the description if you're interested. The key thing really is the Surfex HD. You'll probably have the rest of the stuff already. The Bigboi Blowr, check it out if you're in the market for a blower as well. Obviously there's some cheaper options. See my video on it if you're interested. Thanks very much for watching. Bye now.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I when you went home?